Dental bridges are one of the most common solutions for replacing missing teeth. They can help restore your smile and improve your overall oral health. However, getting dental crowns can be expensive, especially in Europe. That's why many people are turning to Turkey for affordable dental crowns. The price tag on dental crowns in Europe can vary greatly depending on the country you are in. In countries like Germany, Switzerland, and the UK, dental crowns can cost anywhere from A500 to A1500 per tooth. This is a hefty price to pay, especially if you need multiple crowns. On the other hand, Turkey offers much more affordable prices for dental crowns. In popular dental tourism destinations like Istanbul and Antalya, you can get dental crowns for as little as A200 to A500 per tooth. This significant price difference is why many people are choosing to travel to Turkey for their dental treatment. But is the lower price tag worth it? Many people may be hesitant to travel to a foreign country for dental treatment, especially when it comes to something as important as their oral health. However, Turkey has become a popular destination for dental tourism, thanks to its high-quality dental care and experienced dentists. In Turkey, dental clinics are equipped with the latest technology and employ highly skilled dentists who are trained in Europe and the US. They offer the same quality of care and materials as European clinics but at a fraction of the cost. This makes getting dental crowns in Turkey a cost-effective option for many people. Another advantage of getting dental crowns in Turkey is the shorter waiting times. In Europe, it can take weeks or even months to get an appointment with a dentist for a dental crown. In Turkey, you can often get an appointment within a few days and have your crown placed in just a couple of visits. In addition to the affordable prices and high-quality care, Turkey also offers a unique travel experience. Istanbul, for example, is a vibrant city that blends modernity with tradition. You can explore historic sites like the Hagia Sophia and the Blue Mosque, indulge in delicious Turkish cuisine, and shop at the Grand Bazaar, all while getting your dental treatment done. Of course, there are some things to consider when getting dental crowns in Turkey. You will need to factor in the cost of travel and accommodation, as well as the time it takes to travel and recover from the procedure. It's also important to do thorough research and choose a reputable dental clinic with positive reviews and experienced dentists. Overall, getting dental crowns in Turkey can be a cost-effective and convenient option for many people. The lower price tag, high-quality care, and unique travel experience make it an attractive choice for those looking to restore their smile without breaking the bank. In conclusion, the price tag on dental crowns in Europe is significantly higher than in Turkey. Many people are turning to Turkey for affordable dental crowns, thanks to its high-quality care, experienced dentists, and unique travel experience. If you're looking to restore your smile without breaking the bank, consider getting dental crowns in Turkey.